Good morning, everyone. I'm Aaron Sebastian, URK25 AI 1085, and today I will be explaining four different practicums. First one would be the uh, verification of all the gates in Simulink. Second one would be uh, logic circuit for the decoder and encoder. Third one would be multiplexer, and fourth one would be making all the gates using universal gates. So let's move on to that. First one, that is verification of all the gates. You have to take all the gates and use constants. Yeah, you have to take constants and change the values like this for every constant. One of it should be changed like this and the other should be made like this. Okay. After changing it all and connecting it to the display box, you have to press run. Device is a bit slow. Okay. After running it, you can get the output for all the gates. That is, yeah, you can see the output for all the gates has been printed as shown in the diagram. So let's move on to the next practical. That is, one second. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. There was a slight error here. Okay, so let's move on to the next program. That is making of all the gates using universal. First one is OR gate using NOR gate. For that, you need to use two uh, constants and two NOR gates. After that, you have to connect it as shown in the diagram and press and you will get the output like this. After that, for using NAND gate, you have to make OR gate. For that, we need again two constants and three AND gates, NAND gates. And the connection shall be made as shown, and when you press run, you will get the answer. And next is AND gate using NOR gate. So you have to take three NOR gate and connections after being made like this and pressing run, it will come like this. And in this 1 into 4 is coming like, I'll show you. See, 0, 0, 1, 1. Like how the input should be. That's how the input should be. Okay. After that, and using NAND gate. You need two NAND for that. And NAND is what? Inverted output of AND. So while using two NAND, you will get the output of AND. Not using NOR. You can just give this as the same output. Like connect this input NOR gate to itself. That will give you the output of NOR. Not. And for not using NAND gate, you can do the same. So let's move on to the next program. Next simulation, that is simulation of a multiplexer. For the simulation of multiplexer, you need 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, 6 constants. And the value should be changed as shown. And you need 2 NOT gate and 4 AND gate and 3 OR gate. After taking all that, you have to make connections like this. And for this AND gate, you see they have 3 connections. I'll show you how to do that. For that, double tap here. So, my bad. So, yeah, number of input code should be changed to 3. Then you can add 3 values. Like you can put this. Oh my god. Anyway, you can put the 3 values. Yeah. After putting that value, you just have to press run. After making the circuit as shown, you just have to press run and the values will come next. So let's move on to the uh, next circuit, that is circuit for decoder. For that, you need two constants, two inverters, that is NOT gate, and a four AND gate, and four display blocks. After that, the circuit should be made as shown here. And after making connections and pressing run, you'll get the values like this. As for encoder, it is like this. You have to use four constants, two OR gates, and two display blocks. And after making connections like this, you can just press run and it will give the answer. And the application for all basic encoder would be for, excuse me, I'm sorry. Now the real world application for encoder would be, uh, yeah, a real world application for encoder is speech recognition and motion detection. And as for decoder, the real world application for decoder would be digital electronics. That is, we use it in many ways of digital learning and machine learning. Thank you for watching and have a great day.